Are you tired of the endless cycle of losing weight, only to gain it all back again? It's time to break free from the yo-yo dieting and find a healthy lifestyle plan that actually works. Losing weight and keeping it off requires more than just a temporary fix. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that promote long-term health and wellness. So, how do you achieve this? It's all about adopting a healthy lifestyle plan that focuses on balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and mindful habits. First and foremost, let's address nutrition. Instead of following restrictive diets that leave you feeling deprived and ultimately set you up for failure, aim to build your meals around whole, nutrient-dense foods. Fill your plate with plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables, lean protein sources, whole grains, and healthy fats. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you can support your overall health and maintain a satisfying, well-rounded diet. In addition to nourishing your body with wholesome foods, incorporating regular physical activity into your routine is crucial for weight management. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your schedule. Whether it's taking a daily walk, joining a fitness class, or going for a bike ride, find ways to stay active that bring you joy. Regular exercise not only burns calories, but also helps to boost your metabolism and improve your overall fitness and well-being. Furthermore, adopting mindful habits is essential for long-term weight management. Mindful eating, for example, encourages you to tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues, allowing you to make more conscious choices about your food intake. Additionally, managing stress and getting adequate sleep are also important factors in maintaining a healthy weight. Stress and inadequate sleep can disrupt your body's natural regulatory systems, leading to increased cravings and weight gain. Remember, the key to losing weight and keeping it off lies in embracing a healthy lifestyle plan that prioritizes balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and mindful habits. By making sustainable changes to your lifestyle, you can achieve lasting success on your weight loss journey and improve your overall health and well-being. So say goodbye to fad diets and quick fixes and commit to a healthy lifestyle that will support you for years to come.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It's just one click for you, but it means the world to us. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching and your support.